Zing. Welcome to Helsbeth.loves. This is Pink Parcel. This is a monthly subscription, £12.99 a month, and this is a one just for the ladies. Now this is a subscription for your periods, and I will get in there and I'll explain more. Let's get rid of the rubbish. Right, so let's put the paperwork to one side first, and we'll get to that in a moment. So this subscription, you can choose any date of the month, so you can have it ready for when your period comes. You can choose pads or tampons, and you can even have a mixture, and you don't have to stick to that every month. You can change it from month to month. And you can also change from different brands. So in this box, it's for later. Let's start with this one. This one's for now. So you see this nice little bag. We've had different types of bags, because I've been having this one for almost a year now. So we've had ones with different patterns, and we've had plain ones. This is the traditional one. So in here, I will let you see what's in here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pads and some panty liners, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 panty liners. There you go. So I'll let that just there. But that's a nice little bag to go in your handbag. And to be fair, if you leave your handbag open at the till or in the office or at work, not everybody needs to know what's in your handbag at that time of the month. So it's nice to have a little bag that's a bit more discreet. Right, so let's get back to the for later. So obviously that's not going to be enough for all month. So we have some for later. So in here we have more. So as I said, you can have some for light, some for normal flow, and some for heavy flow. So you can choose your flows, and they also have normal and longs as well. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and another 10. That's a 10 in total there, look, for that one. So that's your daytime ones, there and there. And the nighttime ones, as you can see, it says for night. And in this one here, as you can see, is the different type of ones you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and as you can see, they're the heavier ones, they're the bigger, thicker ones. So that's the kind of the business end of the things, and this is what everybody is interested in. Oh, and I've got it upside down, I do apologise. So this is what everybody's interested about. So I'll pop those there. So we have in the pack. So before we get to the fun stuff, I'll just go through what else is in the box. So we have a leaflet, and it says, pass this on. It says 50% off a Betty box. Now Betty box is if you've got teenagers, so it's the same as the box, but for your teenagers who are just starting their periods, and they're not quite ready for all the sort of series. It's a little bit more fun, a little bit more funky, and maybe in the future I will order one of these for you guys to see. If you want to put a comment below in the box, if you want me to do that, let me know. So there you go. So as you can see, it gives you an idea of all the colours and the pictures there. Look, so you can see rather than the grey, the pink, we've got purples, pinks, brightly coloured. There we go, brightly thick for the teenagers and the adults if they want. I mean, and we've got a voucher for £40 off of HelloFresh. Now that's a sort of a food subscription every week, or is it fortnightly? And this one says choose your favourite, our weekly menu. We source and deliver, and then you can cook your amazing foods, and so that's your £40 off, and I do believe that's £20 off of 2 separate boxes if I do remember, yes. There you go, £20 off your first and second box. So there you go. Okay, this might be a clue of what's in the box. So there you go, Scented. And it says, is it Scented or Centered? Restoring lifestyle, balance naturally. So there you go. Stop, inhale and reset. 100% natural. There we go. Sorry, that was my phone making funny noises over there. I do apologise if you heard that noise. So I'm just going to pop this out. I'm not going to look at it at the moment, but that's ready for the fun bit. So I'm not going to look at it yet. I have seen a few sneak peeks, so I've got an idea of what's in here, but I haven't seen all of it. So there we go. Have a look. There we go. Lovely. Right, what's first? Right, so is it upside down? Yeah, it's upside down. I do apologise. So this is a scented melt. So it's like a candle without a wick. So you put this into a burner. So it melts into it and it lets off the smell of the wax. Now, I'm having a little smell, and to be honest, it smells very much like a real candle, a real biscuit, chocolate biscuit. Now I have my willing companion again, who's normally my. So to have a smell. What do you think?
Chocolate hobnob.
Chocolate hobnob. There you go. So that's what Calvin thinks it smells like, and I think yeah, probably chocolate hobnob or chocolate sort of like chocolate chip biscuit, but like a triple chocolate biscuit or something like that. So there you go. So that's that one. Right, and that says there, it says, place on a highly scented wax melt into a wax burner. Enjoy sweet smells of cocoa as it fills your room. Scent lasts for an hour. Out for hours even, sorry, I do apologise. So here's another one. Okay, and this is a green tea primer. Prep, protect, and it's vegan. Now it's got the cruelty-free little logo on the back there, so I'll show you that. Look, there you go. And then you can see the little logo just there. There you go. And I'll have a little bit of a. Where are we? Where are you? Can't see on this little leaflet where that one is, so I think that one explains itself. I don't think I've got information on that one. Nope. Not on there. Can you see that one? No. But I do believe I've seen it on, oh there it is. It says create a smooth base for your makeup using hydrating antioxidant green tea primer, which received the full version in this parcel. Gosh, okay. And it's worth £28. Well, there you go. Full size. Now, in this box, you always get your sweet treat. So there you go. And then in this one, it is a Doisy Dam. And this is a 74% cocoa, and it's maple, roasted rice, toasted rice, and pink salt. Now this one says it's made in England, made in the UK, Dominican cocoa, vegan, gluten-free, so it'll be okay for me and my gluten-free, and soya-free, so that'll be nice. There you go. Lovely. And that says, pop the triple layer oh, I'm looking at the wrong thing there. Unwrap and enjoy the rich Moorish taste of dark chocolate with a cheeky trio of superfoods. Pure Canadian maple syrup, Himalayan pink salt, which is meant to be super good for you, and lightly toasted whole grain rice with a satisfying crunch with every bite. Now that is $1.75 for 40 grams, and this one is a 25 grams. So that's a good size portion there. Lovely. Right. So next one. So this one is, it says it's a bronzer. Now, let me see if I can get this. Can you open that for me, my darling, and I'll go on to the next one. Okay, so this one here. Oh, can we see that? Yeah, there you go. Scentered. And it says Love Natural Therapy Balm. It's 100% natural. Calvin's struggling to get that box open as well, so I'm glad it's not just me. Thank you. So, Scentered. Roll onto your wrist, neck, temples. Slowly inhale the calming and comforting scent of rose, petroleum, cedarwood, essential oils. 100% natural aromatherapy. It's mindfulness on the go. Now, mindfulness is a very important thing to do and a very positive way to go. So mindfulness, this thinking of yourself and getting scented. So let's have a smell. Oh yes, it's lovely. I'm just going to pop that on the rest there, on the pulse points. What do you think? It's not perfume, it's just something to make you feel more...
Sexy?
Not sexy, no, darling.
Okay.
Trust you. Okay. And also in this pack you always get your chocolate and your tea. Now this is Yuyo, and this is Yerba Zing, organic. Yerba mate with grapefruit and rosehip. I must admit that sounds rather interesting. And it has rose hips, grapefruit flavour, orange peel, lemon peel, peppermint. That's a bit of an unusual mix of stuff in the tea, but you never know. I'm always give it a try. So it says with antioxidants, with more antioxidants than green tea, caffeine rich like your coffee. Fall in love with a refreshing combo of peppermint, rose hips and grapefruit. Tropical mate, make your make as you would your herbal cuppa. It's £4.35 for a pack of 14. Okay, so maybe give it a go at work. So yeah, this, as I said, with the pink parcel, you always get your sweet treat and your cup of tea, which is very important at that special time of the month where you're just not feeling right at the beginning of your period. So they're those two. Right, now I'm rather partial, as my husband knows, to a face mask. Now this one is a Manuka honey and hydrating and moisturising Korean face mask. Oh yeah, Manuka honey is one of my favourites. So there you go. So I'll pop that. I'll pop it over there. Pop that there. So this one says, pop the triple layer technology mask inspired by Korean skincare onto clean, dry skin for 20 minutes. Allow the formula to infuse with Manuka honey extracts to nourish your skin. £12.99 for 4. So there you go. So that's that one. And last but no means least, which is your bronzer. Now I keep looking at this and thinking it's got probably more uses than a bronzer, because you've got your 4 colours in there, look. So you could, in theory, have, you can't really see them there because it's quite the bright light in here. So you could almost use them as, well, that one there you could almost use as a blush. Now I've just got a nice brush here. Let's give it a little bit of a on there. And I do believe my husband wants a bit of a pampering, I think. Let me just do those again then. He wants a bit of a bronze. There we go. And you can actually see, he's so tanned, look, that's just not fair. There we go, look. You can hardly see it on his skin. There you go. So it's more of a bronze on my skin There we go. So it's more for the paler. So it's perfect for the paler skin like myself. Okay. So, as you can see, it's perfect. So, even though all the products you get in this is in excess of, way over the excess of the £12.99 you pay, you get all your monthly essentials as well, and it's nice to have them come through the door and not have to worry about going to the supermarket or the chemist to go and get it. So I'd like to say thank you for watching my my unboxing. I'd really appreciate it if you're new to the channel to subscribe and press the little bell which is at the bottom, and thank you for watching. And also I've also got an Instagram, if you feel it's Helsbeth.loves as well. Please do feel free to visit me there as well. And thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.